McKinsey just dropped a report. 50% of white-collar jobs vanish by 2028. Not 2035. Not 2040. 2028. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million jobs globally at risk right now. That is not speculation. That is their official forecast. Claude and GPT-4 already handle legal document review 10 times faster than junior lawyers. Deloitte tracked this. One AI system replaced 47,000 accounting positions in 6 months flat. Your industry is next. Financial analysts spent decades building expertise. Today, AI generates reports in 47 seconds. JPMorgan built Coin specifically for this. It reviews commercial loan agreements in minutes. Work that took paralegals weeks now takes software hours. This affects your salary. This affects your promotion timeline. This affects your mortgage application next year. Your competition is not another person anymore. Your competition is code running on GPUs. But here is what most people miss. Adaptation creates new roles faster than automation destroys them. The transition is brutal. The opportunity is real. You either learn to work alongside AI or get left behind entirely. That choice belongs to you. Not your boss, not your industry. You. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. AI every day.